In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a personalized LinkedIn outreach message using ChatGPT. The goal here is to save time while still sounding thoughtful, relevant, and human. A lot of outreach messages fail because they feel generic, overly salesy, or clearly copied and pasted. This process helps you avoid that by combining a little research with AI support and then polishing the final result before you send it. Start by opening the LinkedIn profile of the person you want to message. Before you write anything, take a moment to understand who they are. Look at their current role, the company they work for, and any recent activity they've posted or engaged with. You're trying to get a quick sense of what matters to them professionally. As you review their profile, note a few useful details. Pay attention to their job title, the type of company they're at, and any possible pain points they may be dealing with based on their responsibilities. For example, if they work in hiring, growth, operations, or sales, their challenges may be very different. You don't need to overanalyze it, but you do want enough context to make your message feel relevant. Next, open ChatGPT and explain your offer or your reason for reaching out. Be clear and simple here. Include who the person is, what they do, and why your message could be useful to them. The better your input, the better the draft you'll get back. Then ask ChatGPT to write a short, personalized LinkedIn message. Keep it brief because LinkedIn messages tend to work better when they're easy to read and don't ask for too much too soon. Make sure the draft includes one specific detail from the person's profile. That detail is what helps the message feel personal instead of automated. Also, ask for a friendly tone and a soft call to action. You want the message to feel approachable, not pushy. A soft call to action might simply invite them to connect, share thoughts, or let you know if they'd be open to a quick conversation. Once ChatGPT gives you a draft, edit it so it sounds natural. This part is important. Read it out loud and remove anything that feels too formal, too generic, or not like something a real person would say. The AI gives you a starting point, but your final touch is what makes it believable. When the message feels right, send it and track replies. Keeping track helps you learn what kinds of messages get responses, so you can improve your outreach over time and make the process even more effective.